Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Nutella Gelato. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream for that rich base. Don't forget 3/4 cup of delicious Nutella and 1/2 cup of sugar for sweetness. Finally, have 2 large egg yolks and a small pinch of salt ready to create a truly decadent treat. Now let's craft the perfect gelato base. First, whisk your 2 egg yolks with the 1/2 cup of sugar until the mixture becomes light and creamy. In a separate saucepan, gently heat the 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of cream, and a pinch of salt until it just simmers. Slowly temper the warm liquid into your egg mixture, whisking continuously. Then, cook this custard over low heat until it slightly thickens, coating the back of a spoon. Next, it's time for the star ingredient. Remove your custard from the heat and immediately stir in the 3/4 cup of Nutella until it's completely melted and smoothly incorporated. For an extra silky texture, strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve. This step removes any small lumps. Now, the most crucial part, chill your gelato base in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight, ensuring it's thoroughly cold before churning. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Pour your thoroughly chilled gelato base into your ice cream maker and churn it for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Transfer the freshly churned, soft gelato into an airtight container. Freeze it for at least 2 more hours to allow it to firm up properly. Then, scoop and enjoy your incredible homemade Nutella gelato, perhaps with a drizzle of extra Nutella or some chopped hazelnuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.